In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate and sync your Printify store with your platform, ensuring all your products are perfectly set up and ready to reach your customers. Whether you're just starting out with Printify or looking to optimize your current setup, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know to get your store up and running smoothly. First, let's dive into connecting your Printify account to your store. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for all your products to be accurately managed and displayed. Begin by logging into your Printify account. Once you're inside, head over to the Connect section in the dashboard. Here, you'll find a list of available platforms you can connect with, whether it's Shopify, Etsy, or another popular e-commerce site. Choose your platform and follow the straightforward prompts to authorize Printify to access your store. It's that simple. If you run into any issues during this process, make sure to check your platform's permission settings to ensure integration is allowed. Now that your accounts are connected, let's move on to syncing your products. Syncing ensures all your product details, from descriptions and images to prices, are aligned perfectly between Printify and your store, eliminating any discrepancies that might confuse customers. Start by navigating to your Printify My Products page. Here, you'll see all items you've created. To sync, select the items you want to upload. If this is the first time you're syncing, it can be helpful to double check that all product variations and details are correct before moving forward. Go through each product's information and make adjustments if necessary. Once you're satisfied, use the Sync Products feature and let Printify do its magic, aligning everything with your connected store's inventory. With your products successfully synced, there's just one more step: publishing them for the world to see. Within your store's dashboard, look for the Drafts or Unpublished section. This is where your newly synced products should appear. Review each listing one more time to ensure everything looks appealing and complete. Pay attention to visuals. High-quality images can make a huge difference in attracting potential buyers. When you're ready, hit the Publish button to make your products live on your store. This final step is your chance to verify that everything is just as you envisioned before customers start browsing. With your store integrated and your products published, you're all set to start selling. Remember, you can always go back to adjust, remove, or add new products as your business grows. Keeping your inventory refreshed and updated will help maintain customer interest and satisfaction. Thank you for following along, and here's to your successful journey with Printify and your chosen e-commerce platform. Happy selling!